We'll guide you through how to link Teams to Outlook Calendar. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to schedule online meetings more efficiently by connecting Microsoft Teams with Microsoft Outlook. Linking Teams to the Outlook calendar ensures meeting links are generated automatically, reduces manual steps, and prevents errors. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log into your account. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account to avoid any login errors. After entering your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you are successfully signed in, go to the Calendar section by clicking the calendar icon in the left sidebar of the Outlook window. This will open your calendar view where all your scheduled events and meetings are displayed. Next, click New Event to create a new calendar meeting. An event window will appear on your screen with several fields that you need to complete. In the event window, enter the meeting title in the title field, for example, GuideHub Weekly Meeting, so that attendees clearly understand the purpose of the session. After entering the title, add the attendees' email addresses in the Invite Attendees field. Carefully type each email address to ensure the correct participants are included. Once the attendees have been added, select the Teams Meeting toggle to link Microsoft Teams to the event. Make sure the Teams Meeting option is enabled. Set the meeting date by selecting the appropriate date on the calendar within the event window. After choosing the date, set the meeting start time by adjusting the start time fields to your preferred time. Next, set the meeting end time by adjusting the end time fields to define the duration of the meeting. If necessary, add a meeting description in the description box, for example, weekly coordination session to track projects and align team objectives, to provide additional context for participants. Review all the meeting details carefully to ensure everything is correct and complete. Click Send to create the meeting and send the Teams invitation to all attendees. Open the saved event in your calendar to confirm that the Microsoft Teams meeting link is included and visible.